How to fix the sorry you have been blocked error on any website. Let's jump into Google Chrome. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're in, sign into your Chrome account if you haven't already. Look for the three little dots in the top corner and click on them. Then find Extensions and click on it. You'll see an option that says Manage Extensions. Click on that. Take a look at all your extensions and make sure they're up to date and relevant to what you actually need. If you notice any extensions causing issues, simply remove them right from this menu. All right, now let's clear out some browsing data. Click on the three dots again and go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and click on it. You'll see an option for Clear Browsing Data. Click on that. Make sure all time is selected from the drop-down menu. Then check all the boxes to remove any junk. Finally, click on Clear Data and let Chrome handle the rest. Don't forget to make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Go to About Chrome to check. Make sure you're running the latest version available. And there you have it! Those are the steps to fix the sorry. You have been blocked error on any website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips.